Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make hanging butterflies, which is a cute way to decorate your room. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss out on our newest videos. So the materials that you need to create this craft are string, scissors, a printer, tape, and markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first thing I did was collect 8 images of butterflies from the internet. Then I printed them out. If you want to use the same butterfly images that I'm using, the link is in the description below of the PDF that I used. So now I have finished printing out the butterflies. So I have decided that I'm going to color them with my alcohol markers. Stay tuned. So now I finished coloring the butterflies. Now I'm going to cut them. So now I finished cutting out the butterflies. So the next step is to fold each butterfly so it will look ready for hanging. So as you can see right now, I am folding a butterfly to show you how it's supposed to be. But this is also a very self-explanatory step, so I'm going to show you once I folded all the butterflies. So I finished folding all of the butterflies, and this is how they're supposed to look like once you folded them. So what you need now is heavy duty packaging tape, and this I'm using Scotch packaging tape, and you also need some baby pink thread or string, whatever you call it. And what you need to do with the string is I am putting the string right now in each of the butterflies, and just a little piece should be sticking in the butterfly. So after you put the string in the butterfly, you have to tape it, and then you have to do the same step for each of the butterflies. You put the string in and you tape it. So I finished the taping and putting the string in all of the 6 butterflies. The next step is to hang the butterflies on a ceiling. So as you see, now the butterflies are hung. And the thing is that you don't have to attach it to the ceiling. You can attach it anywhere, like you can attach it on your bed or the fan or any other places. Whoops, it fell. I guess I have to pick that up. But I hope you guys enjoyed making these cute butterflies. So thanks for watching, and bye!